Hey everyone, welcome back. We're diving right into a crucial part of test automation today, setting up your project in IntelliJ.
Yeah, getting this foundation right can really set you up for success. It can make the whole process much smoother.
So first things first, you have IntelliJ IDEA installed.
Yeah, make sure you've got that downloaded and ready to go. You can even use the free community edition for this. It has everything we need.
All right, so you open up IntelliJ, and then what?
You're going to see an option that says New Project. That's where the magic starts. You just click on that.
Easy enough?
And then it's time to start making a few key decisions about how we want our project to be structured.
Decisions like what?
Well, one of the first things we need to do is select the Project SDK.
Project SDK.
Yeah, the Project SDK. That's your Java development kit, the JDK.
Ah, the JDK.
Exactly. It's like the engine that powers your Java code.
Yeah.
Like, if you were baking a cake, you'd need to make sure you have the right kind of oven.
Okay, so we've selected our JDK. What's next on our IntelliJ setup checklist?
Next up, we need to choose Maven as our project type.
Maven.
Yeah, Maven is a build tool. It's going to manage all the libraries, those dependencies that our project needs to run smoothly.
Oh, dependencies, right. Those external libraries that our project relies on.
Mm.
Like Selenium, I'm guessing, for our browser automation.
Absolutely. Selenium will be one of them. And Maven is like our project organizer, our librarian, making sure all those dependencies are in the right place and ready to be used.
I like that analogy.
Yeah.
Maven as our librarian, keeping our project's bookshelf nice and tidy.
Exactly. All right, so now we've got our JDK selected. We've chosen Maven. What do we do next?
Well, we need to name this project, give it an identity.
Project naming. Super important. Let's hear what we've got.
Then just hit that Finish button. IntelliJ takes over and creates the basic project structure for you, like magic.
Speaking of structure, what does that look like in IntelliJ?
You'll see a few key folders. 6main is where your main application code will live. And then there's 6deft. You can probably guess what goes in there. Cerdist, that's where all the exciting testing stuff happens.
Exactly. And since our focus here is building a test automation framework, that Circtist folder is going to be our main playground.
It's going to be where we spend a lot of our time writing those tests, building out our framework, and making sure our application is rock solid. And that's a wrap for this deep dive. Happy coding, everyone.